Hi, my name is Coutinho. Today we're going to talk about joint and mobility. Sometimes we lack mobility. We bend down to pick up a pen and we get a sprain in our arm or in our sides. Or sometimes we're unable, we have tight hamstrings, we have tight glutes, we have a tight lower back. It changes our posture, we have pain in our body. We're going to learn simple asanas that can help us loosen up these tight muscles and work on our joint mobility. Mobility is something that our bodies are going to need when we're 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And the more we train for mobility, the healthier we're going to be. Mobility also contributes to a great posture, and a great posture is not just great confidence, but it's great for your back and for your overall musculoskeletal system. We've collaborated with The Art of Living, and their yoga therapist is now going to take us through simple asanas that you can practice every day. It doesn't take you too much of time, no matter where you are in the world. Remember, practice makes you perfect. And the more you practice these asanas, the more you will start seeing that the mobility in your body starts to get more efficient.
Hi, this is Mayur Karthik, head trainer with Sri Sri School of Yoga and faculty with the Art of Living. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we'll be looking into how to mobilize each and every joint in our body. The most important thing in the session is to keep a smile and do as much as your body allows you to do. In case you would like to do these stretches sitting on a chair, even that is absolutely fine. Make yourself comfortable. If suppose you lose your balance in some of the movements, what you can do, you can keep a chair next to you, hold it and do this comfortably. You feel tired in the joints, you can even sit down and do some of these stretches. Before we start, if you have any physical conditions, I would always recommend you to consult your doctor before you do these practices. Let's begin. Let's stand straight. Remember, you can also do this sitting down, and some of the stretches you can stand up and do holding a chair. Let's stand straight. Keep a gentle smile on your face. And also during the stretches and also during the movements, it is very important to keep breathing. Breath is such a powerful tool. It will help you to relax and also to energize each and every part of the body. So keep breathing along with the movements that we will do today. So let's stand straight. And let's start by loosening up the joints. Take your hands up and start shaking your hands. Shake your hands. If you want, even like a spring, you can go up and down from the foot. Shake, 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 shake. Loosen up the whole body. If you want to, you can just move your waist a little bit. Keep shaking the whole body. Remember to keep smiling. Shake, 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 shake. You can even sit and do this. Shake, 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 shake. And relax. Now if you're standing, hold the hips. Now let's start from the head and we'll go down every joint from the head to the toe. Hold your waist. First, breathe in, look up. And breathe out, look down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. And slowly start rotating your head clockwise direction. Gentle movements. Feel your mind moving and the head just following it. Come all the way down. Reverse the direction. Remember to keep breathing. And if you feel tension at any particular point, just stay there. Breathe a couple of times. Breathe a couple of times into that space and continue. And slowly you may relax. Now let's pump the shoulder up, down, up, down. Loosen up the neck joint. Loosen up the trapezius along with the breath. Now place the fingers on the shoulders. Bring the elbows to the front. Let the elbows touch. Inhale. Lift both your elbows up towards the ceiling. Open up your chest and slowly bring your arms from behind and down. I'll show you this from the side angle. You can continue this movement. Remember to keep inhaling and exhaling. As you come to the front, let's change the direction from back to the front. And relax, let go. These stretches you can do before any yoga practice, right? So these are very simple and gentle. Now let's do the entire arm movement. Now breathe in, take both your hands up, elbows straight, bring the biceps close to the ears as much as you can. And take them back, exhale, come down. Continue. Three times to the front and 3 times from the back. And relax. Once again, you can pump your shoulders and let go. Now let's do something for the spine. Let's move the feet away from each other. Now hold the hips first. Stand straight, pull the tummy slightly in. Now interlock the fingers and gently let's twist the body to the right and left. Now very important, if you are looking all the way to the right and left, you might feel giddy. So what you can do, you can keep your eye gaze fixed to the front and only move the body. You can do whatever is comfortable or even slight movements. You might hear some tuck tuck sound from your spine. That's absolutely fine. And come back to the center. Now move the legs even wider. Now let's do the side bends. Now we'll bend to the left. Right arm goes up. Bend to the left. And to the other side. You can either hold the waist with the other hand or just keep the arms loose. Right and left. Exhalation. Every time you bend to the side, you exhale. Right side, left side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, the tendency here is to keep the elbows bent. See if you can stretch the elbows. You get a deeper stretch in the sides of the body. And down. Now, remember this. If you are doing this particular side movement sitting, remember to keep the knees away from each other. If you keep the legs too close, you might fall off the chair. Alright? So, keep the knees away if you are doing this sitting on a chair. Alright? Now, hold the hips, bring the legs a little closer. Let's do some waist rotation. Are you still smiling? Importance of smiling is the whole body relaxes. Clockwise direction 5 times and anti-clockwise direction 5 times. And relax, let go. Now keep holding the hips. Now what you can do is a little bit you can bend forward from your hips, come halfway, body parallel to the floor. Inhale, come up, push the hips to the front. Look up, opening the chest. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And slowly straighten yourself up. Now we're going to swing the leg. So this is where you might need the support of a chair or a wall. What you can do, you can stand straight, hold the hips or stretch your hands to the sides. Imagine you're holding some imaginary rope, alright? Hold here and first shift the weight to left leg and start swinging the right leg front and back. As much as your body allows you to, remember that. 5 times. Now the other leg. relax. Now if you're sitting down or if you're standing, you may take the support of a chair. What we're going to do, stand straight, lift your right knee up and gently kick forward. Now if you're sitting down, just extend the leg to the front. 5 times. And relax. Now the other leg, lift your left knee up and kick forward. And relax. Now, lift your right leg up once again. If you're sitting down, you just stretch your leg forward. We'll do some movements for the ankle joint. Start rotating your right foot clockwise direction. And reverse. Keep smiling. And let go. Now the other leg. And reverse. And relax. Now gently start walking a little faster wherever you are. Loosen up the hands. Shake the whole body. Shake, 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 shake. And relax. You can sit with your eyes closed, or if you wish to, you may just lie down for some time. Just relax, do nothing, eyes closed, totally let go. Right? Doing these simple movements mobilizes all the joints in the body. Every day, 5 to 10 minutes if you do this either in the morning or evening, or even before your asana practice. This will be very helpful to help you reduce injury, help you to mobilize the joints, improve the blood circulation, and much more. Keep practicing, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Jai Gurudev.
I hope you enjoyed these asanas. Don't be overwhelmed if you couldn't do it in your first class. Remember, it starts with baby steps. It starts with small wins every day. And remember, it's consistency over intensity. And it is progress over perfection. So now that you've learned these asanas, the more you do it, the better you're going to get. And be mindful about your body. The more you do it, you'll find your flexibility improving, your mobility improving, and over time, your pain's decreasing. So follow your own pace and do your best.